Welcome back to school. Safe return to school guidance for children. New lifestyle. No entry without mask and hand sanitizer in the school. Allow the teacher to check your temperature before entering the class. Wash your hands frequently with soap and count 1 to 20 seconds. Look at the right way to wear a mask. Do not shake or hold hands and do not hug each other. Maintain a distance of 6 feet from other children. Cover your mouth with the bend of your elbow or tissue while coughing or sneezing. All school-going children should wear masks. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Do not touch your mask unnecessarily. Do not share your belongings with other children. Wear a mask and maintain social distance inside the class as well. Wash your hands before having the lunch. Maintain social distancing during outdoor activities. Avoid crowded places. If not possible, wear a mask. Maintain social distance in the school bus. Follow all the SOPs, stay safe and stay healthy. The world is smarter than coronavirus.